Now there, have you ever wondered why it's a bad idea to leave a vehicle parked underneath an oak tree, or probably any other tree for that matter? Well, take a look at this. Since I've owned this Jeep, it's never had a mirror finish, but as you can see, it's got some pretty good pitting right up, all up through the paint. This is after using rubbing compound twice, so it's slightly improved. Now this area is using rubbing compound just once, and as you can see, you can't really hardly tell the difference. It's pitted so badly. And over on this side is just cleaned up, just soap and water clean. And yeah, pitting is pretty rough. But yeah, if you ever wonder what happens when you leave a vehicle parked under a tree for a couple of years, yeah, here it is. Aside from how it looked when it first came out from under the tree, and here we are now trying to clean it up and discovering just how bad the paint's just practically destroyed. I wouldn't say destroyed, but it'll never have a mirror shine again. This vehicle's it isn't worth a repaint. It's being built more as a play toy of sorts. I will clean up the headlight lenses again. They're just a couple of years old. Plan on putting maybe some 31 inch tall tires on it. I did have these over here. Well, it's covered up now. But yeah, I think I'd rather have steel if you're going to go off-road anyway. But yeah, kind of disappointing to find out just how bad the paint gets pitted up over time. But at least now it won't be as hurtful when it starts getting its first scratches and dings. Have a great one.